I'm finally doing it. Gonna start a vlog now.
I like turtles. All right, you're a great zombie. And
So, if you don't know who I am yet, my name's Max Cafaro. Basically, I'm just a regular guy. Moved to Hawaii, and I'm just gonna live my life and tell you about it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. I'll tell you guys more about myself later, but right now, I wanna go surfing. So, let's go surfing.
The beat go off? Hey. Hey, I up it, then my heat go off. Bang.
So bad news, guys. There are barely any waves out here. It's looking pretty beat. There's some waves over there. Very small. Absolutely no waves over there. Looking pretty dead. I'm pretty bummed about it. We're gonna go catch some still. We're still gonna send it.
I heard he do that sneaky dog. I heard he was a sneaky dog.
And I'm back. So the waves today sucked. There's no waves at all. It was completely calm out on the sea. Went out right to Waikiki. No waves at all. It's terrible. So I've been here for about 2 months. Fuck was that? So I've been here for about 2 months so far, and a lot has happened. Let me just show you some stuff. About a month ago, met this dude named Anthony. Coolest guy I've ever met. He's like Russell Brand. Took me surfing at the North Shore, and I almost died. And he took us cliff jumping at Monowilly Falls, and it was pretty sweet. Then we met this dude named Austin. Austin, he's pretty freaking cool. He's like a model. He's been a couple extras in some movies, and he bought a freaking school bus. We went swimming at Electric Beach together and saw giant turtles. I climbed Cocoa Head and took on a rainbow. I flew my drone over some mountains to get some amazing footage. Free dove about 30 feet to videotape this turtle. I went to the sick-ass Buddhist temple. I mean, all in all, Hawaii is pretty awesome. There's really not much more for me to say about it. So we got a CrossFit workout going on. We're gonna go do some circuits. We got Elliot over here, CrossFit expertise. We got Edison over here, another CrossFit expert. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna get to it. Christian Rasmus ready for it. Nini's ready for it. I'm not ready for it, but let's go. And that's it. Our CrossFit workout is done. My hair's all messed up. We did. We did 20 squats and 20 push-ups, and then we did suicides, and then we counted down from 20, 18, 16 to 12 to 10, and then did suicides like that. I'm too tired. And then we did V-ups just now. And now I'm going in the beach. I'm going in the water. I'm not dropping my phone today. Oh.
Alright, good day. Good first vlog. Time to end it here. If you haven't already, subscribe. Please like the video. If you want to get my gear, go in the link in the description. It's got my gear, the shit I film with. And you know, it's an Amazon affiliate link, so if you're gonna buy anything, you know, click on my link and then go buy stuff because you really help me out. And yeah, tune in some other day, probably tomorrow, something like that. And I see you then. But yeah, first vlog. I don't really know how to end it. I think about ending it later in a better way. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.